How to do a water pump test. Turn off the machine. Prepare an extra water pipe. Find the adapter and connect it to the water pipe. Unscrew the outlet of the machine generator drain valve and connect the water pipe. Connect the other end of the water pipe to the faucet. Close the machine water tank valve and open the generator drain valve. Power on. Open the faucet valve. Turn switch to cold water position and keep the two steam guns opening. Waiting for a continuous water flowing out of the muzzle. Then turn off the machine. And restore the two valves. Remove the water pipe